Hey everybody, come and see how good I look. Can you guys name the movie? Please tell me you can. What's happening, peeps? Tony coming at you with another YouTube video for the KTM Supermini giveaway that we got going on right now for one of you guys out there to win. It's pretty neat. It's got a bit of a transition going on. I gotta be careful how I say that. Oops. Anywho, so it's transforming, I guess I could say, into a Supermini, a 105. It's got the big wheels on it right now with the fresh Dunlops. It's pretty sweet. We're going to go over some bits here in a little bit, but I just wanted to at least intro this thing. And I'm just butchering it right now, but it is what it is. It's me. Be sure to get over to the site, elitemotofactory.com, to get entered for this little Supermini. Right now we're running a promo of 4 times entries until the 25th of July. So make sure you capitalize on it. Okay. This could end up in one of your guys' garages with one of your little rippas screaming it around. Check out the link for the Supermini giveaway. Read through the description there. And then, yeah, go buy yourself something nice. Nice little shirt here. Call this the shop tee, right? It's kind of the 90s vibe. Let's jump into some stuff. I'll show you around the bike a little bit. Oh, and talk about some fun stuff we got as well. Check you later. Holy moly. We got us a new V-Force. The 4R. The engine comes stock with a 3, but we wanted to upgrade to the latest and greatest. Thank you, Moto Tassinari, for being a part of this, as you are a part of all Elite Moto Factory's 2-stroke reconstructions. Okay, I know a lot of people are not really aware of these, but this is a T-Rex. I learned about these through my son and his amateur racing, and they always send a nice little note. Hey Tony, hope you guys have an awesome summer. Thank you, Dan. Dan, no thank you. But this one right here, these things are rad. I mean, also a game changer for the little rippers, but they do make them for the big bikes as well. So any 2-stroke, they even have 4-stroke single cable conversions, which is pretty cool. It does need a cable, depending on the application. So pay attention if you do want to get yourself a T-Rex. The link is definitely in the description, as all the links are here for these products. And these things are wicked smooth. This is the best throttle I have used. In my personal experience, we always updated to aluminum tubes for professional racing because you don't want to have a throttle tube cause a DNF. So anyways, this comes with the whole shebang. And then we went with a black vapor on this one. The color is pretty sweet. It's more of a shiny black instead of a regular Ano black, which is kind of flat. But yeah, I'm excited to install that on this little bugger and get it rippy ripping. We got some VHM goodies. So we got the 12-degree insert for the cylinder head, 12-degree piston. The head is in here. I was actually at FBC right now getting some treatment that I wanted to do to it for coloration for the engine package. Look at here. We got some grip tape from the crew at Anchor. Thank you, Corey, for being a part of this, my friend. I really do appreciate it. Corey also did some mods on our airbox cover, which is something he's been playing around with, which I will show you once I have it completed. But this, I'm gonna actually go with the black. And we got our crank back from my boy, Yanni Primo. Thank you, buddy, for taking care of this. It's pretty sweet. Excited to get this thing back in the engine. It's gonna be neato. Well, that can only mean one thing. I can hear it already. Just getting raspy. This thing's gonna have some freaking attitude. Man, it's starting to look fresh. Pretty darn neat, if I do say so myself. Yeah, just taking a little walk around here so you guys can check it out with me. Yeah, we got wheels mounted up. We got a little fender action going on there on the triples. Look at these puppies. X-Trags rocks. Mounted up some Renthals. You know, I was really going for the titanium in the MC bend, but they didn't have the MC bend. So we got the RC bend. 997, baby. Man, look at them rims. Look at them hubs. Huh? Nuts. Okay, we got our work connection start ring hooked up here. God dang it. That thing is just something else. Man, that is a coat fresher than wet paint. I'm just drooling over this thing right now. Pretty neat. Anyway, we went to old Freestyle Fred on the radiators. Yeah, I couldn't resist myself. Man, they got some sparkle going on. And what else we can talk about here? The frame, silver. Going for that 03 MC throwback, back when he was riding a KTM. It was pretty sweet. I do remember that. I remember seeing it in the pits at Anaheim, and I know he only rode this one a few times. Oh, it is. Got factory connection stickers on here, because whoever wins it's going to get a sweet gift certificate to set their suspension up from FC. I got the spring off right now over at FBC getting coated, because I wanted to coat it, because I didn't really like the white spring. And he's got some other parts like wheel spacers and brake hangers. Get it all back together, so we'll have a rolling chassis here by the weekend. Man, we got perspective. No, it's not just mounted up, but I bet you guys could picture yourself holding them bars right there, because it's not for me, it's for one of you. You just got to get entered. EliteMotorFactory.com. Some Raptors. It says sledgehammer. He's a sledgehammer. Shocks, pegs, lucky. I mean, dadgummit. Would you look at that? Thank you, X-Trig, for being a part of this and other projects in the past, into the future. It's gonna be pretty special. Pretty special, guys. Get to build custom bikes again. And these ones I'm just gonna give away. Which is even nuts. More nuts. There's the English. Not my strong suit. But look at them radiators. Holy moly. My buddies over at W getting in on this little bugger. Man, the bronze hubs, the silver rims. Definitely throwing it back. A little factory. There's just a sea of black out there now. Bringing it back old school. Some silver's pretty slick. Excel Takasago, RK. Thank you guys for kicking in. Really do appreciate this. Got an RK 428 MXZ4. Gold chain going on this bugger. Factory connection. The boys back east. Hey, thank you guys for getting in on this too. You guys rule like family. Here's the current state of the Supermini engine. Just chilling over here on the engine bench. Got my notes on the board. And yeah, it's just kind of a waiting game right now. Got some Honda projects on the bench. That's an 18 250F to the left. And that's an 08 450R right there. Old Faithful. Some engine builds coming up. This little bugger is going to be a spicy one. Hey guys, just go to the website. Enter to win me. In all its glory right now. Well, it's not much glory because it's in pieces. But it'll be together very soon. And I just wanted to share it with you so you could check it out. Okay, so now that you've seen what it is we're working with here, and then the stuff over there on the bench that's come in that's fresh, let's get down to some business. I'm gonna talk about a couple of things. First and foremost, I want to introduce a comment giveaway in this video. Well, Tony, what could that be? So I want to hear what your guys' favorite Anchorman movie quote is. There's a lot. I mean, right offhand, I can think loud noises from Brick. That's a good one. Anywho, I want to hear your guys' favorites. I'll announce the winner in 2 weeks in the comment section. I will pick my favorite. So make me laugh. That's your best chance. Oh yeah, I probably should tell you what you're gonna win. Okay, I'm back. Moron. Now that I got my crud together, I figured out what it is going to be that I'm giving away, and that's a Velocity Components grease puck. I love these tools. It is one of my favorite tools, actually. My boy Tommy makes these. Shout out, Tommy. Thanks for making these, pal, for myself and others to enjoy. You don't know it yet, but you're giving one of these away. Thanks, buddy. Anyways, you're getting a grease puck. If you can make me laugh with an Anchorman comment, and my favorite will win the comment giveaway. Man, I am just struggle busting with my words today. I appreciate when you pitch in on these comments, because A, it makes me laugh, but it also makes me feel like I'm not doing this by myself, because right now I'm just talking to the phone. So it's pretty rad. So let's interact. Okay, speaking of comment giveaways, I need to shout out some guys that contributed to the first Super Mini video. The video is a couple videos back in the channel. It was the one that was titled $25 for this pile. Mr. Dodd's Dirt Bikes. Thank you, David. Also, there were 2 Works Connection parts up for grabs. One was a YZ frame guards, and the other was a CR250 radiator braces. And my pick in that particular comment thread was Caleb Maxwell 5261. You won the YZ frame guards. And then Healdy, Healdy 8990, you won the CR250 radiator braces. Now this is your last chance to get those. I went into the comments and I notified you guys that you won them. If you claim them, they're yours, but I'm only gonna give you like a couple days. And if you don't, I'm gonna go back through that comment thread and we'll pick somebody else. And I know that those comments, in order to win those Works Connection parts, was what was your favorite Joe Dirt quote. So if you guys are catching this now and you go back to that video and you want a chance at those Works Connection parts, get in on it. All right, now that we got that business out of the way, we're just gonna talk real quick about what the future is of this in the next week or so. We're gonna finish button up the chassis, make it a roller, and then focus on the engine build. And I'm gonna make a video for that as well, because I think that is useful. And then get her running, get her tuned in. We're gonna put somebody on it to rip it around a little bit. So it is good for the winner of the giveaway. I think that's only the right thing to do. Plus, I'm going to do it anyway. This is kind of what I do. Make sure it's rock solid for you guys. I appreciate all you guys for watching this kind of stuff. Make sure you get over to EliteMotoFactory.com to get entered to win this bike. The giveaway is only gonna run till August 4th. You got a little bit of time left. Capitalize on the 4 times entries until the 25th of July. Lastly, don't forget to check the description on this video. Check out all the links. I actually have some promo codes in there from Evans Waterless and Moto Factory. So if you guys want to jump over on their sites and grab some stuff for yourself, coolant is next level. Moto Factory has been making V-Forces for a long time, and they're the best that I've ever dealt with. So I wanted to throw you guys a little bonus and get some codes for you. And they are in this description on this video and in prior videos as well. So you get 20% off products through their websites by using my codes. So check it out. Thanks for doing so. Okay guys, I always blow this. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel. If there's anything that I can help you with, hit the contact link that's in the description. Whether it be some questions, maybe constructing you an engine, building a Super Mini, building some race stuff. If you want to build a whole bike, I'm totally game for that. Actually one of my favorite things to do. So on that note, guys, I'm wrapping this thing up. Check you later. Supermini giveaway.